Johnny's Custom Auto Body has over 20 years experience and guarantees complete customer satisfaction. We'll handle your entire repair. Don't let your insurance company steer you to their cut-rate body shop. State law allows you to use the shop of your choice. We welcome all insurance companies and offer lifetime warranties. Auto body repair is our expertise, but customized work is our passion. Johnny's is an award-winning custom auto body shop, on the road or off. Johnny's Custom Auto Body will get you back on the road.